The first 2022 GMC Hummer EV pickups have been produced at Factory Zero, and customer deliveries will now begin. The revolutionary GMC Super Truck represents the first of many Ultium-based consumer vehicles to be produced as part of General Motors' vision for an all-electric future. VEN 001 of the Edition 1 GMC Hummer EV pickup was auctioned March 27, 2021, at Barrett-Jackson at a hammer price of $2.5 million, with proceeds benefiting the Tunnel to Towers Foundation, an organization established to honor the memory of September 11 first responder Stephen Siller. The foundation builds mortgage-free, accessible smart homes for the most catastrophically injured veterans and provides mortgage-free homes for Gold Star families and the families of first responders killed in the line of duty. The GMC Hummer EV leads future production of zero-emission vehicles at GM's Factory Zero Detroit Hamtramck Assembly Center, which has been retooled, upgraded, and expanded. The GMC Hummer EV Edition 1's design features an interstellar white exterior, unique Lunar Horizon interior, and is powered by GM's new Ultium platform. Its revolutionary capability offers a GM estimated up to 1,000 horsepower and 11,500 foot-pound of torque. It has a starting MSRP of $110,295. Signature features include Watts to Freedom, a driver-selectable experience that unleashes the full acceleration capability of the EV propulsion system, including GM estimated from 0 to 60 miles per hour performance in approximately 3 seconds. Four-wheel steer featuring crab walk, allows the rear wheels and front wheels to steer at the same angle at low speeds, enabling diagonal movement of the vehicle, for even greater maneuverability on challenging terrain. Adaptive air suspension with extract mode enables the suspension height to be raised approximately 6 inches to help the GMC Hummer EV negotiate extreme off-road situations such as clearing boulders or fording water. Super Cruise, a driver assistance feature offering hands-free driving on more than 200,000 miles of enabled roads, and a new automatic lane changing feature.